Alright, so I got about 4 hours of plowing on this now, and as you can see, the snow tries to get behind it. I did caulk this, but it was only like 35-40 degrees when I did it, so it didn't set the best. That's why I put these 2-inch fender washers with self-tappers. It'd be nice to do bolts, but I got this in the way behind. I might cut holes in this so I could put bolts later on, but the self-tappers are working fine. They're number 12 1-inchers. I also bought some number 14s later, but these are holding just fine, and snow isn't sticking to them at all. I just got done plowing for a few hours here. You can see how much snow is stuck to it, just barely anything. Just on the bottom edge and up at the top a little bit. It curls off nice, it comes right off the top. I would have gotten video of it, but I was in a hurry and it's hard to videotape and plow at the same time. Anyhow, for say $100 with the box of screws and everything, and your angle iron for the top, you can use old bed frame even. I just had this angle iron at hand. This is definitely a good purchase, I think. It makes it plowing a lot easier. Now, I did add chains to my fronts too, so that is helping as well. The biggest thing I've noticed is the snow just coming off way easier. I can plow now in 2-wheel drive. I had to in 4-wheel before. Part of that was the front end would always want to slide sideways, and now it doesn't with the chains. But also, I think I'm just pushing less snow because it's pushing it off so quick. So, it's definitely an improvement. If I was to install one of these again, I'd do it a little different. First off, take off your blade, set the plastic like on a table, put your blade on top of it and mark out all your holes. Drill out or cut out your holes. I'll just drill them, leave the plate on and just drill right through. Drill out your holes. Then, with the blade down on a flat surface of some sort, like a piece of wood or whatever, if you don't have a flat floor like I don't, put the plastic up against it, so it lines up with the holes. Put your blade on, then put your bolts through, get a few of them started, then lift it up and put your other bolts in. Then, with that all bolted down across the bottom, that's held, so then you just push it up and clamp it. Like I showed, and then do the top rail. So, that would be a lot easier. I kind of did it the ass backwards way. I didn't read the directions, but I don't think it really told you how to do it anyhow. I don't know. Anyhow, just do it that way, it'd be easier. And I pre-drilled before I self-tapped, I used a center drill just to start my holes. I marked out I went every 4 inches, I think it was. That seems to be working fine. You can see it stopping from the snow getting behind. It's trying to, here and there. Some of that is also the silicone. But it's trying to get behind, but it can't because of the self-tappers and washers. You can see here too. Maybe. Focus. There we go. So, it's trying to a little bit. Oh, also, after I got these started with the drill, I hand tightened them in with a socket, so I didn't strip them out. I want good threads, I would also recommend that. Just get them started, and then, get them most of the way on, and then tighten them all the way with that, so you don't over tighten them. And that's also why I bought the 14s later, in case one of them did strip out or whatever. Then I could put in the 14s, they're a little bit bigger, and fix it. So yeah, I'm very happy. This is for $100 when you figure out all the extra shit. Definitely worth it. I'll put a link in the description.